What is up, everybody? Welcome to Trey's Trades, where we give technical analysis on different stocks in the stock market, as well as buy, hold, or sell opinions on these given stocks. I'd like to preface by saying that I am not a financial advisor nor expert. I am just some random dude on YouTube, so take what I say with a grain of salt. With that being said, today we are looking at ticker symbol FUBO, FUBO TV Incorporated. Let me just say, this thing has been an absolute monster. Holy Toledo. If you look back 5 days ago, we had a price valuation of $27.50 about, and we are currently closing out the day at about $62.99. That is over 100% return margin on the stock. If you got in on this, pat yourself on the back because you have seen some absolute filthy returns on your investment. That is amazing. It is not very often in the market that we have an opportunity to have a 100% return margin on a stock, especially with such little support necessary or downward volatility. This thing has pretty much just consistently risen. It hasn't done much consolidating whatsoever. It has just been an absolute monster, and volume, if anything, has been increasing. The momentum has not gone down. There has not been any struggle. There hasn't been any resistance levels. This thing is just climbing. Now, what potential money-making opportunities do we have with FUBO? Well, one thing to keep in mind is over the last 5 days, this stock has basically been completely above the VMA, the volume moving average, which means this is absolute bullish territory. The bulls are in complete control of this stock. I think there has probably been a collective 2 or 3 hours in the last 5 days, including the pre-market and after hours, that this was in bullish, not bullish, bearish territory, and that is a great sign if you are holding this stock. So if you are holding, I would personally continue to hold and set a trailing stop loss. However, I'm not a financial advisor or expert, so do your own due diligence and make your own decisions. But there seems to be more upside with this stock, and if you'd asked me, a couple days ago if I thought it would go to $60, I definitely would have said no. I thought $40 was a pretty hefty return margin to begin with, but anybody, I don't think there's any person on the planet that can say this won't continue to run, because it very well might. The volume is still there, the momentum's still there, and most importantly, the hype is still there. So I would not sell out of this position. I would continue to hold your position in this stock, because let's say hypothetically you set a 10% trailing stop loss on this. Well, you are currently sitting at a 100% margin return. Then you're looking at 90%. It's not like you're losing whatsoever. You've already made an absurd amount of money, and the risk is pretty much nothing. There's no risk at all because you've already made your money, and the upside is infinite. This stock could continuously grow, and you could continuously make more margin return on your investment. So if I was a shareholder, I am not, I wish I was, I would continue to hold your position. Future investing opportunities. Would you like to buy this stock? Personally, I'm not going to get into this. I do think that there is a price correction coming soon. I couldn't tell you when. It's going to very highly depend on when volume starts to die down and when short sellers come into the play. However, the risk here for someone who is not currently a shareholder is a lot higher than somebody who is, because if you buy in at the $62 high and this thing tanks, you are going to be a bag holder, or you better have a stop loss set, because this thing eventually is going to correct itself, as is the market's typical pattern. And you definitely don't want to be caught holding the bag, because it might take a long time for this thing to go back up to $62 if it tanks. So personally, I would wait to get into this stock. I have a support level set here. As weak as this is not a very strong support level. We do have 3 candlesticks that touch this, but if this stock does tank, it very well could come down to this $36.68 valuation. Now, will it? I can't tell you that. There's no way for me to know. If I did know, I'd be a very rich man, and so would all of you. But that is the support level that we currently have, given the stock's current price movement. Now, in the short term, this does also seem to be a support level at $54.20. So if in the short term you see the stock come down here, that may be a potential buying opportunity. Now, the big money maker for people who are not in this stock right now is people who are looking to short this stock. Eventually, the volume is going to die and the hype will die, and there will be a price correction. And that is going to be a huge opportunity for you as short sellers to get in and make a quick return, because the market tends to go down a lot faster than it goes up. So if you do see this stock start to tank, I would look first at this $54.20 price valuation as a potential exit point, a point in which to buy back your shares. Or if we do not reach that and it continues to tank, you could look at this $36.70 price valuation as a secondary level of support in which to get out of your trade. Now that's not quite a 100% return on investment, but it is very close, and that would be a fantastic opportunity for short sellers to make a quick profit. With that being said, that is all I have for the video today. Thank you for coming. If you enjoyed it, please like it. If you did not, dislike the video. Either way, you are helping out the YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate you. If you'd love to join the family, please subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I will be putting out a video every day, and I currently have 59 subscribers, looking to get to 100 by Sunday. So, thank you for coming to the video. That is all that I have for you today, and I appreciate all of your time. See you next time. Peace.